Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Pisces, we are picking these cards, guys, and we'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle guidance. So that will be a general guidance, and one card from these love messages. So what your person wants to tell you, guys. So we will see what it is after we finish with these cards. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. We have Hierophant, Six of Stars, and Two of Spheres in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are moving to a different place, guys. Maybe you are going for work, or it may be a holiday trip, or you may be changing residence, or maybe you are taking up a new job or changing the place of work. So some journey or a move is what I see in your situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are giving up the ideas you had, maybe some thoughts of belief or a particular way of doing things. But today you are changing all that. You are giving up something that is not working for you, and you are accepting some new path or a new way of dealing with your situation. So some changes you are making to your life today, guys, and some changes because the old ways are not working for you, and you are changing to something new in your situation today, guys, Pisces. And I also see that you are someone who has firm beliefs, ideals, and maybe you are a follower of certain belief, and maybe this person and yourself, you share common belief and traditions, values. Maybe that is what is bringing you a better understanding of each other. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards marriage or commitment with this person, guys. So you are happy that you both share common ideas or beliefs or traditions. So whatever it is bringing you both together, and you feel really inspired and confident by the way things are going in your life today, guys. Maybe in your work, things are going in a very positive way, and you are becoming more successful. Maybe you are taking up a better job with more opportunities for success. So some positive progress in your situation, that is what I see, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may have someone gifting you, maybe, guys. Maybe it may not be a gift of money or something. Maybe it may be something, maybe the things they say, it is really inspiring you, or the guidance they give. So it may be from someone really close to you, or even it may be from someone who is not so close, who even might be a stranger, but the words this person speaks is acting as an inspiration for you today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may get a communication in your work, or it may be in your relationship. For some of you, it may be, for most of you, it may be something good, guys, Pisces. So there is a good news also reaching you today, Pisces. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your Angel Oracle guidance. So we have Gratitude. So this card just means that being happy for whatever we have. So every day, each and every day in our life, we are so busy. We have a hectic schedule. We have so many things to do. So often we forget the things we have or the people we have in our life. Our friends and family, our house, food we have on our plate, and friends to spend time with. So all that we need to be really happy about, guys, and be thankful for the things we have. So each and every day when we have gratitude towards the day for being in such a beautiful day with the family we love and things we have and food to eat. So feeling gratitude for all that is going to simply open our heart, and we are going to invite more happiness and abundance in our life when we feel that gratitude and thankfulness towards the universe, guys. So that is the oracle guidance for you all Pisces, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. And the love message for you all, guys, Pisces, this is the message from your person. So it says, you love me unconditionally. So even with the previous cards, we saw that you are moving towards marriage or commitment. Maybe it looks like this love is unconditional, guys. And this person really feels happy. And we also have this card, a beautiful card here, gratitude. So again, unconditional love just means loving without expectation. So that is the meaning of gratitude. So maybe this love is indeed unconditional for you guys, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.